Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, I did say to you guys previously I will not be doing any OMI updates until I believe it will actually add value to, number one, your day-to-day trading, number two, some overall significant data that I feel is important, or of course major news data as well. Now in this video we're going to get into some technical analysis because I do believe I've discovered something that is quite important, and I believe that all of you should in fact know, right? And it's also to calm a lot of people down, because of course when people did see me speak about us needing to break above the 78.6, and then now we're rejecting that area and obviously starting to range below that, a lot of people are wondering what on earth is happening. Now I'm going to explain that in this video, and I'm going to talk about where price will potentially go next, and we're also going to address something that I believe is very, very important as well. Now before I do that, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and as always click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own research. And of course remember, join the Telegram group by clicking the link in my description so you can stay up to date on all our latest updates, news updates, technical updates and much more. So pause the video and do that right this second. And remember, if you do not have Telegram, that link will not work. So download Telegram and obviously join our community. Now, of course, if you're someone that wants to, implement that OMI accumulation strategy that I spoke about on my last video, which already some of our Crypto Crew Premium members are already doing, and you want to take advantage of leverage trading, you want some of our incredible spot under the radar gems, cryptocurrencies, in-depth trades, specific entries, exits and more, then of course upgrade to Crypto Crew Premium right this second. And I'll tell you, like I tell a lot of people, the idea is to overall be profitable. Why not try us out for at least 1 month? If you're not profitable, you do not have to continue. So sign up right now and join that. And of course, guys, you will be automatically enrolled in our $500 to 1 Bitcoin flip challenge, which is also off to an absolutely incredible start. Now let's get into the video. So you guys would have seen that, of course, the overall crypto market has been quite, interesting, has been very bullish since last week, with Bitcoin hitting over $40,000 yesterday. Now, of course, that had a lot to do with, some of that Amazon data, but even prior to this data, Bitcoin was already moving in the right direction. But you're probably wondering, why wasn't OMI affected by this? Why didn't OMI move to the upside? What is that about? Now I'm going to explain why. I've been saying to you guys, for quite some time, there is no real strong correlation between Bitcoin and OMI, almost no correlation at all, right? And this recent rally explains that. So for example, when Bitcoin started to head to the upside, and obviously we did predict this move and took advantage of it in our Crypto Crew Premium group. But anyway, I digress. So as you can see, when Bitcoin started to go up, OMI wasn't really much affected, right? OMI in fact started to go down. There wasn't any real spike in data or anything of that nature. Now some of you be wondering, oh, surely that's a bad thing. No, it's not, guys. Remember, we don't want all our cryptocurrencies to move the same. We want to have a fairly balanced portfolio with some type of uncorrelation as well, so that when one market is down, we can make money on another market. We do not want too much risk exposure, and of course, if they're all correlated, that is huge risk exposure. So, for example, when Bitcoin was in fact down, a week before the last, you would notice that OMI was in fact spiked to the upside, started to go up, and actually broke the 78.6 fib level. So again, guys, there's absolutely nothing to worry about here. OMI does have a mind of its own, and as I said to you guys before, once we break back above the 78.6, it should be smooth sailing from here, and we should see all-time highs hit, hopefully before the end of August. But like I said, this is a project where I'm in it for the long term. There's some recent, let's just go to this. So one of the biggest entertainment companies in the world, Marvel, will soon be releasing NFTs on VV Official. Now, obviously, you all should know this by now, but you know, VV recognized by Yahoo Finance, Marvel NFTs coming to the platform. I mean, guys, this is so historic. You know, if this, let's just say this was a stock-based company, I'm pretty sure many people, especially those of you that are already investing, etc., would be having a keen eye on this project. This, in my opinion, is a blue chip crypto. What does that mean? It means it's a crypto that I believe will be around a very, very long time from now. Why? Number one, they've got the licensing deals. They're completely in line with, you know, certain regulations, etc., which is across the board. They appear to be very much above board in all their dealings and the way they actually carry themselves in this wild west at the moment, which is the cryptocurrency space. Again, if they really wanted to, they could do absolutely scandalous things, which we are seeing some other cryptocurrencies or companies do. OMI is not doing that. As they say, slow and steady wins the race, and it looks like OMI will be winning this race. And I'm in fact happy to be an early investor in OMI, and you should too. So these are the people that are going to win, right? So many of you, unfortunately, I'm sorry to be so blunt, probably will not, you probably will give up, just like some of you already have, just because the market went down. See, people that are only here for when the market is up and they're ecstatic, and when the market goes down, they give up on the project. They deem it, deem it all of a sudden it's a scam project. It's this, it's that, and they start shooting holes in the project. You see, you guys are what I like to call, short-term thinkers, or maybe you're just fans, right? In this community, in the OMI community, in the VLC network community, in the crypto crew community, we are interested in supporters, people that are going to be there through the ups and the downs, through our adversities and our successes. We are not interested, and of course I can't speak on the behalf of OMI or ECOMI, but I can say for my community, we're not interested in people that just want to be here for the success. Now, of course, if you do just want to ride the success of OMI, then of course you probably should have cashed out on the high, or you can catch these dumps and cash out at each point. And obviously you will need to learn the skill set to do that. So again, if you do want to do that, click the link in my description and sign up to one of our one-to-one sessions or group classes so you can learn the art of technical analysis. But even with that being said, guys, we are truly interested in supporters, people that are going to be here through thick and thin, people that are still going to be buying the coin at a low, going to use the initiative to take advantage when price is at its very low price. People, once it gets to all-time highs, are going to start buying again, right? And that's great. But when it pulls back, what are they going to say? OMI is this, OMI is that. The whole getting to the $1 mark, it's no longer speculation. It's no longer will it happen. It's not will it happen. The question is when. In my opinion, this is inevitable. The question is, can you wait around? Do you have the patience? Do you have the skill set to be able to, number one, make money throughout this period? Number two, have the discipline to hold on tight even when you are making a huge profit. See, these factors all come into play, but I'm not going to ramble on for too long. As always, I like to keep it short and sweet, and I'll conclude by saying, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. This is one of the biggest tests of the OMI community. This is one of the biggest tests of the OMI supporters. The question is, will you use this to your advantage, or will you cower like many of you are currently doing? That choice is yours. With that being said, guys, click the link in my descriptions, join a Telegram group, and of course upgrade to Crypto Crew Premium today to join that $500 to 1 Bitcoin challenge. And this is the fastest way to accumulate 1 mil OMI. With that being said, guys, seize the day.